So far, we have been learned about a one-page SEO. Nothing but we have been optimized our entire page. We have been given cover page, logo, username, selected this, about us, everything we have been done. Here we have been created one dummy page just to show you how to create ads. If you like to promote some of the products, okay, if you are just posting in your page, it will be reach only those who are following your pages, okay, those who are follow your pages, or with whom you have been shared your page, only with them you will be able to share. If you like to get more and more ad visitors, okay, if you like to get more and more visit to your, if you like to reach the huge audience, then we have to create an ad and we have to run the ad. How to create an ad? We have to go to here ad center. After page we have a ad center, create, select that ad center. Here it will show that what are the ads you have been run so far. Okay, you haven't run any of the ads, so that it will not be showing up any ads here. Okay, if you like to create an ad, now you would like to create an ad, go to create ad here. Once you start creating an ad, it will ask, okay, which type of the ad you would like to create. Here, four major type of the ads has been shown. One is a get more messages for your page, or get more likes and visitors or followers to your page, or if you like to promote your website, or you would like to get a leads. Leads are nothing but their contact information you will get. You need to call back them to get converted. So the most cheapest ad, it is nothing but a get more website visitors. Okay, within our rupees you can reach so many audience. So we'll select that one, website visitors. First we have to, if you selected a website, this particular website will be shown. Okay, you have been linked with your Facebook page. If you like to change this website link, I don't want this particular page, I want to someone to visit this particular page, we'll select that particular page, copy and paste here, so that this particular page will be shown. Okay, this particular page will be shown. Once this particular page has been selected, that particular page detail has been taken. Okay, that particular page detail has been taken. In case if you like to change the image, okay, if you like to load a video, we can select a video. If you like to load a slideshow, you can slideshow. Okay, multiple images, then you can select this one. Okay, if you like to add a single image, you can select this one. If you like to add a video, you can select a video. Browse library, if you already loaded, then select here and you can upload that one. You can select and continue. Okay, in case if you like to load a new video, okay, if you like to create a new video, then what we have to do, we have to go to upload a video. We have to select upload video and we have to upload from your computer. Similarly here is single image, same thing, you can browse from a library. Okay, if it is already there, already uploaded, you can browse it directly from a library, or you can upload it from your computer. Once you have been done, okay, it will show like this is the preview you have. If you like to crop that particular image, go to crop here. You can select which part of the image need to be shown, select like this and confirm. Okay, now here headline for your ad headlines are nothing but it will be shown. For example, I would like to say that uh, buy now. Okay, so it will be shown here. You can, when you are adding a buttons, okay, here when you are adding a button, it will show, for example, book now, buy now, or if you like to say that learn more. Okay, so that particular button and the title will be shown. Okay, then it will be like a giving a details about your ad. Okay, you can give a details here, like if you like to write something like what are the things you are going to do, these things we have been written here. Then it comes to a the important thing is the where you like to place. Here United States is selected. You would like to edit that one, create a audience. Okay, I don't want to place my ad in a United States. I would like to go with the location here. I will say Bangalore. I would like to promote in a Bangalore. Again, add a location like Hyderabad. Like this, I can add a location, multiple location. Again, I can change the radius, like from the center, how many kilometers I can cover up this particular ad. Okay, then it will show you how many potential audience are there here. Around 1 crore 80 lakh audience you can reach. If you like to exclude any of the people, you can exclude here. If you like to include people, for example, one who is searching for a stock, okay, for them only I would like to target. Then we can say include people, then your target audience will be come down. Okay, there based on that interest it will be placed your ad, then say save. Okay, once you have done this one, then automatic placement in the sense when you are connecting your Instagram account along with the your this account, Facebook account, then automatically it will be placed on both the places. Okay, then run this ad continuously, or you would like to have a some specific duration. For example, we say I would like to show this particular ad for the 2 days. Okay, that is nothing but 12th I would like to end this particular ad. Again, I would like to have a daily budget of, okay, I have a daily budget. You can increase the daily budget like, okay, 80 rupees or 100 rupees per day. Like this you can increase the daily budget. It will give you the how many estimated website clicks per day. Okay, around 30 to 92 clicks you can expect. So that by paying 200 you can expect around 200 clicks, or minimum 50 clicks you can expect. Then this is about a budget setting we have been done. Placement, the location we already selected, the ad details we already given. Next it comes to a the payment. It will be give you the, if you like to change the payment, okay, you can change here. Okay, payment mode you can change, or you can link any other account here, and you can say promote. Right now I don't want to promote, so I will not be click on a promote. Okay, once you have been, for example, if you are click on a promote, it will be submitted your ad, and it will take a review. It will go to review for a 1 or 2 minutes of review. It will do how your ad will look like. Okay, it will look like this, and you can say promote. Okay, your ad will be started. It will be in a review. If you go to overview, it will show that it's in a review. Okay, if you like to promote again, you can select this one, and again if you like to edit a ad, you can go back here. You can edit the ad any point of time. Okay, any point of time you can edit the ad, close down. Okay, then what you can do, whatever the ads you have been created, it will show once it is reviewed and once it has been done, it will show here. Okay, this is about how can we create a ads, and much more ad related activities will taken up in a next video.